Hey everybody, Tom here from Army Roofing. Just wanted to give you guys a little update what we've been doing lately. This is our latest project. Go ahead, cut the hole. What John's doing is cutting a bathroom fan vent hole. They had the fan venting out one of these regular vent holes and hot air was blowing into their attic space, so we're going to correct that. We put new EPDM in the gutters. We're going to put new copper flashing drains. Sorry, we've got drip edge for the gables. This is the front side here. As you can see, it's a pretty big side. We're also going to be installing a couple Canada Go Green solar vents, or 4-season solar powered vents. Come with a 10-year warranty. Excellent product. As you can see there, they got a solar panel on top. So when the sun hits that, the fan turns on. Very low noise. So if you're in the Delta BC area and you need a free estimate, or in the Lower Mainland, British Columbia, give us a call, 778-686-7663, or visit us at armyroofing.com. Bye for now.